now let's actually invite Dr. Jahaur Saleem, who's a diplomat and he has been the former ambassador to Italy as well as the Foreign Secretary for Pakistan in our show and take his comments. Thank you so much for joining us this evening, Jahaur Saleem Saab. Jahaur Saab, my first question to you is obviously we were talking about SAARC and how there have been credible media reports that now Pakistan and China are actually working together to actually make a new regional cooperation bloc in our region. If I could ask you a question that before actually going into the details, can you actually tell our viewers that what was the main purpose of SAARC and why did it actually fail to achieve its objectives that it was actually supposed to work on?
It's very unfortunate that SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, which was, interestingly enough, was the brainchild of President Jahaur Rahman of Bangladesh.
Yeah.
And of course, Pakistan was very keen to work with Bangladesh and all other countries in the region, and that's how it was set up. But it was an organization with a great promise and potential, because South Asia, as you've rightly said, is a region which now comprises almost 25% of the world population. Every